MABISA kathumba kuma obisini cia borithi ba NTHIKIRI ni bambite kambi IKARONE ya gavana wa Meru Kawira Mwangaza KIRI Ûchûnkûni bura bwitite na mbere guchuana na uragani ba mututigi Bernard uria urejikene muno ta sniper kiaria MABISA murungamiro wa borithi baba augite ni bakinyite kinya na ataramu ba mwanya kuma kiritengo giki kia NTHIKIRI na uga au kwa gavana ni amwe araba kethro bagichunkuna nongerete na kuga kinya BAGETA KUNTU kungi mwanya bagitithia Ûchûnkûni bubu na mbere muthuri Muriuki no karino atumenyithie nkurukia
ni mantu batano kuthoba kinyite kotini baraba kuningithiro neko kiambe nani muthiani ora ujikene ja sniper na ni muthiro na arua obisa ba NTHIKIRI na obeto na mbere no Ûchûnkûni bakinyite nyombe angavana mutinjo kangangi nikenda kurikithio ntububu araba kutongeretwe ni rinyo coordinator wa MABISA ba NTHIKIRI ni wele ni kisaka.
We are conducting an investigation into a murder of one popularly known as Sniper, and we have been to various scenes. We have brought on board a forensic investigations team led by the Director of Homicide from DCI headquarters, comprises of different fields in the forensic science. And we've come here. Behind us, you can see that the residence of the Governor, Meru County, and it's just part of the many other places that the team is visiting. So it's a continuous process that we are looking through the process of collecting whatever that is relevant to the matter that we are investigating. And we thought that we bring on board the county secretary, who is a senior government officer, to assist us coordinate investigations in this county, because some of the areas we are interested in, he's the one who can assist us.
Kulingana bonandi BAUGITE BAGETA nteringi mwanya nikena beti na mbere Ûchûnkûni bakenda kumenya umbabungwa no wengwa watumire sniper Pedro akiurawa.
Right now the forensic teams are the ones who are analyzing to find if it's related or it's not related. But as I told you, I brought in experts from forensic science and they are looking at all the scenes. This is not the only scene we are looking at. It is just a continuous process, I've told you, and there are so many other things we are visiting. So in case we get anything tangible, we'll be informing you every time.
Arabarabara gutonya kwa ngavana nandi ikuingi matha kathumba nikenda kwagirithio Ûchûnkûni bubu.
So I want to assure you that the investigations are at a very advanced stage, and we believe that justice to that family will be very, very important to the nation of this country, to the nation called Kenya. So I want to assure the public that the investigations are very focused on the evidence that will lead us to a court of law. So let's be focused, and I wish to say that for now we are still at this scene, and processing the scene takes long.
Muthuri Muriuki, weru weekend, mutindo kangangi.